Landing pages are very important in affiliate marketing. If you don't have a landing page, you can't advertise on Google. You can't advertise on Facebook. You can't advertise on YouTube. You need a landing page, and I'm going to go over 2 methods to create a landing page. I'm going to go over a free method to create a landing page, and I'm going to go over it on my computer, and I'll also be going over a paid method, which is, I think, easier, and I'll be going over that as well on my computer here. So let's check it out. Let's get it. Landing pages are so essential. Landing pages were the missing link for me becoming successful in affiliate marketing for years. For years, not being able to create a landing page held me back because I kept trying to put affiliate links in Google or in Facebook, but they don't like affiliate links. And it's just so, I feel like it's discriminating, but it's crazy, but it's the reality. Those networks want people who have their own websites. And even then, they sometimes ban you. It's crazy. But the only way to give yourself a chance is to have a landing page. Now, the downside of the free method that I'm going to go over is it requires programming, okay? So that sucks. But I'll show you the simplistics of how to do this method. I don't know programming. I know a little bit, but I really don't. I will break the internet if you ask me to program. And I'll show you the paid method. And the downside of the pay method is it requires money, right? Nobody wants to spend money. Ooh. Okay, so let's go over to my computer and I'll show you both of these methods real quick. Okay, so for the free method, it sort of varies whether you have a Mac or whether you have a PC. So if you have a PC, if you're working off of Windows, you want to search the term HTT track, okay? HTT track, just like I have right here. And you'll be given a software. It's a free website copier, okay? So you see that right here. It's a website copier, and you can go to this site and you can install it. And this will allow you to actually copy websites to use as landing pages. So what you'll do is you'll go to the download area right here. Okay, and you will download whatever the latest version is. They recommend, this version. I would download this version of HTT track. It's a very old site. It's free software, whatever. Just, I use it. This is what I used for years, actually, before there was ClickFunnels, which is the second method I'll show you soon. Now, if you have a Mac or some sort of Apple computer, what you want to use is SiteSucker. Search that in Google, SiteSucker, okay? Just like right here, and you can download it. I don't have a Mac, I don't use Macs, I'm not on that fan wagon, but for those of you that do, you can download it somewhere here. It looks like there's links on the site to download SiteSucker. The next thing we have to do is we have to find a site that we want to copy. Preferably find a landing page or a squeeze page that you see another affiliate marketer already using. Now in this case, I found a website called Weekly Penny, and it says Newbury Park, California approves little to no cost solar. This is an affiliate page promoting solar programs. As you see, their affiliate link is down here in this big Learn More button. And if you click this button and fill out a form, the affiliate will make some amount of money. I don't know, maybe $10, maybe $20, maybe $30. Somewhere in that range by clicking this button and filling out the affiliate form that is on this page. Now what I want to do is I want to copy this site because I want to advertise this site myself and use this to promote maybe a solar panel installation affiliate program. Great, there are a lot of them. There's a lot of money in solar. A lot of people are switching to solar in the United States. If you're located out of the United States, you can find products that are sold in your country, or you can sell products in America. It doesn't really matter. You can sell products in America. You can be an affiliate for products anywhere in the world. Affiliate networks don't care. All they care is that you are making money. So I copy the URL and I'm in SiteSucker here, okay? So this is WinHTT track. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is click next, and I click next, and we'll do a project name. I'll say Weekly Penny Solar Lander. And the project category, I'll just say solar, just to keep things categorized. Now, then I'm going to click next. Now here's where I put in my web address. So I'm actually going to paste my web address, which is, I don't know if you can see this because it's very small, but it says weeklypenny.com, and it's the site that I just entered. Now the action is already set, which says download website, and I'm just going to click next. And here we go. It starts downloading my website. This may take a minute, so I'm just gonna I'll have my editor skip ahead to when the site's already finished. So once it's finished downloading our site, we should be able to get it, and it will have saved to whatever folder that we had set in the beginning. So as you see, I have, it automatically sets a My Websites folder, and you will go there and just click Finish right there. Okay, so that's how you mirror a site. Then what you would do is you'd have to drag and drop those files over on your own website and change out the affiliate link that appears in here. Now, the way I did that was I simply said copy link address. If you see that, I would actually look at the link address. I'd paste it into a file. I'd paste whatever affiliate link that the other affiliate was using into a file, and I would go in the programming, I'd click Control Find, and I would simply replace this link with my own link. Now, wasn't necessarily complicated, didn't always work, but the point being that I try to make things as simple as possible. When you don't have money, you don't have money. So using the free method is a way to deal with not having money, but still being able to put up affiliate marketing landing pages that are effective because you're using stuff that people are already using. Okay, so let's be honest here. That sounds a bit complicated, and it is. Back in 2012, when I started affiliate marketing, they didn't have tools like they do now. You weren't able to create a website without any programming, without finding links and actually going into the files and changing stuff around. I wish they had the tools they have today. And the paid method solves all of those problems. The paid method makes it so accessible for anybody to create an internet business, it's unbelievable. The paid method uses a program that I'm a huge fan of called ClickFunnels. I've been using ClickFunnels for the last 2 or 3 years. I've been a massive fan ever since it was released, and makes internet marketing way easier because you don't have to do any programming whatsoever. So let's check it out right here. So as you see in ClickFunnels, the way it's organized is you have a bunch of funnels, okay? You have bunches of funnels, and you can easily create a new funnel just by clicking this, or you can copy somebody else's funnel. What I'm going to give you today is actually a funnel you can copy directly from me if you want to get your start in affiliate marketing. So you don't even have to write anything yourself. Now that page is this. So this is a pre-sale page for my own affiliate program, which is in ClickBank. You can just log into ClickBank and search my name. So here's my program in ClickBank. If you are interested in following along on this video, it's called the Super Affiliate System, and it pays over $464 per sale. And it is my 6-week course about how to be an affiliate marketer. So it's kind of crazy, right? You can be an affiliate to help teach people how to be an affiliate marketer, kind of like a cat eating its own tail, but whatever. Pays out a lot of money, very successful course, and has helped a lot of people get their start in affiliate marketing. You would just grab the link right there. Now, here in my funnel, what you'll see is, here is my page, and what I would click is I'd click Edit Page right there to get started editing the page. And what you'll see is how simple and easy it is to make changes to web pages. Now, as you see here, I have a disclosure, and let's say you wanted to change around this article to say something else, okay? So, I could say 28-year-old medical guinea pig turned internet millionaire, the full story. And let's say I wanted to change the date around on this particular story to make it more relevant to today. I could change it around just by clicking. I could say written on Jan 7th, 2019. And let's say you want to change your affiliate link around to be your own link for my program. So what you would do is you click promote. Maybe you'd put in your name. If you want to promote the German version or the Italian version of my course, you could click this button, but we're not going to do that. Typed in my affiliate ID, and I'm going to click generate hop links right there. Generate hop links. And here we go. We have our generated hop link. I'm going to highlight that and click copy. Then we would go into ClickFunnels and we would replace the link that is on this video with our own link. Okay, so we'd click it and we see the link URL right here. And I'd simply highlight that link, delete it, and paste in my own link. And then I would go up here where it says save, and I'd click save. There we go. Now, if you want to see the page live, you can just click preview, and you will see you have the updated page where it says guinea pig, January 7th, and you have your affiliate link that goes over to the free training I offer for people interested in affiliate marketing. Now that's that. That's the free method and the paid method. Now ClickFunnels is it has a free trial for 14 days. I recommend you take it up and just see how easy it is. Feel free to try the free method yourself. It is complicated. I don't do it. I would, never do that for the life of me. But ClickFunnels is $97 a month. Now, if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and take it seriously, or if especially if you want to advertise on Google or Facebook or YouTube, you're going to need to have a pre-sell page. And this is a great example. This has been a tested one, and I'm going to give you this funnel. The link to this funnel, if you want to take advantage of the 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, is in the description. It's in the link description somewhere, or I'll put it in a comment, a pinned comment on this video. Booyakasha! I hope that helped you figure out how to set up a landing page and also help you understand why landing pages are so important. There's so much traffic on Google and Facebook. You have the capacity to make tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per day as an affiliate. The traffic is endless. So hopefully this helped you. If it did, let me know in the comments. Say, John, this helped me. And yes, I am setting up advertising tonight or whatever you're gonna do. Let me know how it goes because that's really exciting, and I hope to inspire you to create your own internet incomes yourself. So subscribe to my channel for more videos where you'll learn how to be an affiliate marketer and earn an income online so that, you can do the cool things you want to do. All right, see you in the next video. Toodle-dee, toodle-ah. Peace.